Okay, we are at the Big Blue Whale, the Mysterious Hall of Ocean Life, the American Museum of Natural History, and we have a Dover Scenic elevator to ride. I'm probably gonna wait for the next one. Yeah. Okay, I guess so. Okay. It's got pretty cool. It's got different lights on top. It got like purple lights.
So, what kind of elevator is this one?
It's a Dover. It's a hydraulic.
Wait, how do you pronounce it?
Dover.
Dover?
Yeah, that's the company.
So, is this using cables?
No, that's the hydraulic motor, or it's the pistonette. Yeah. Yep.
Sabrina, stay with me, honey.
Oh.
Come on. I want to go upstairs. No, you stay with me. Please. No, I need you to stay with me, and we need to tell them that it's false alarm. My nephew pushed the button.
Oh, okay.
And usually someone answers. Oh, sorry. And then you tell them it's a false alarm. Good thing it's not a real alarm. It's for dialing. Alright.
Can we go down?
Force alarm, yeah.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you.
This is a cool elevator.
Yeah. I don't like elevators too much.